Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Isolated showers, everybody. That's it. Next few days, otherwise dry and warm. And we're going to feel like we're in the 90s with the triple-digit heat in the summer. No, not that bad, but it's going to be warm enough. So the actual thermometer may hit 90 degrees. We're going to get very close to it early next week. That's with a southwesterly wind ahead of our next weather maker, which will be bringing us some rainfall. But that is a week away. We're talking about a weekend and the rest of the work week that'll feature dry conditions, isolated showers on the breeze, and very warm and sticky weather here. There's the flow. You can see the clouds rolling southeast to northwest. That is where our weather's coming from here, and that usually brings us high humidity, and that this week won't be an exception here, with rain trackers staying pretty quiet the next few days. We've already had several inches of accumulation. We'll see how the drought numbers come out on Thursday with that. We still need more. We're below average, believe it or not, except for the Keys. Rip current risk high. A lot of folks like to cool off on the beach when it gets this hot. Upper 70s, the water temperature. That's nice, but underneath is the danger there with the undercurrent, the rip currents that can take you out. So be careful if you're going to be swimming. Not recommended. Small craft caution already for the Atlantic waters, and this is a small craft advisory potentially, right, for the Florida Keys. I think we'll get there. They just haven't, pulled the lever yet as far as that goes, but I think they will tomorrow. 15 to 20 knot conditions. Yeah, 3 to 5 feet, and nearshore waters rough. That'll do it. That will qualify. And then tomorrow we'll be looking at the temperatures back in the mid 80s, and occasionally, as I mentioned, a couple of showers here and there, but I don't think it's going to be a huge deal. Next weather 7-day forecast. We'll start off with Wednesday and then heading into Thursday. Both days pretty similar. Heading into Friday, no big change. All the while staying breezy. We're going to have gusts between 15 and 20 miles an hour, but there will be occasionally some isolated gusts, I think around 30. And that's why we have all those advisories on the water. Mid 80s for the weekend. Weekend looks great. Warm and humid. Really, rain chances staying at 10%, and it won't be until Tuesday where we get rain chances back up to 40%, and that's why we warm up on a Monday. So this is ahead of a frontal boundary. You can see the winds are out of the southwest, our warmest wind direction. That will shoot up temperatures close to 90, and then because of the rainfall coming up on Tuesday, we'll have highs back down into the mid 80s.